Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be explain the trailer of Black Adam. Black Adam is an upcoming American superhero film based on the DC Comics character of the same name, produced by New Line Cinema, DC Films, 7 Bucks Productions, and Flying Picture Co. and set for distribution by Warner Bros. Pictures. It is intended to be a spin-off from Shazam 2019 and the 11th film in the DC Extended Universe DCEU. The film is being directed by John Collett-Serra from a screen story and screenplay by Adam Stickiel, Rory Hines, and Sohrab Noshirwani. The film will star Dwayne Johnson as Teth Adam, Black Adam, alongside Aldis Hodge, No Centineo, Sarah Shahi, Marwan Kenzari, Quintessa Swindle, Bodhi Sabongui, and Pierce Brosnan. Black Adam, directed by John Collett-Serra, written by Adam Stickiel, Rory Hines, Sohrab Noshirwani, based on characters from DC, produced by Bio Flynn, Dwayne Johnson, Hiram Garcia, Danny Garcia, starring Dwayne Johnson, Aldis Hodge, No Centineo, Sarah Shahi, Marwan Kenzari, Quintessa Swindle, Bodhi Sabongui, Pierce Brosnan. Production companies New Line Cinema, DC Films, 7 Bucks Productions, Flying Picture Co. Distributed by Warner Bros. Pictures. Release date October 21, 2022. Country United States. Language English. Johnson was attached to Shazam early in development and confirmed that he would portray the villain Black Adam in September 2014. The producers decided to give the character his own film in January 2017 and Stickiel was hired that October. Collett-Serra joined in June 2019 for a planned release date of December 2021, but this timeline was delayed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Additional casting took place over the next year, including for members of the Justice Society of America (JSA), and the script was rewritten by Hines and Noshirwani. Filming took place from April to August 2021 at Trilith Studios in Atlanta, Georgia, and also in Los Angeles. Black Adam is scheduled to be released in the United States on October 21, 2022 by Warner Bros. Pictures. Premise: nearly 5,000 years after receiving the almighty powers of the Egyptian gods and being imprisoned just as quickly, Black Adam is freed from his earthly tomb, ready to unleash his unique form of justice on the modern world. Warner Bros. Pictures cast Dwayne Johnson as Teth Adam, Black Adam, an anti-hero from Kahndaq who was imprisoned for 5,000 years. He will become the archenemy of the superhero Shazam and shares his powers from the ancient wizard of the same name. Aldis Hodge as Carter Hall, Hawkman, an archaeologist who is the reincarnation of an Egyptian prince and has the power of flight from his anti-H metal wings. He is the leader of the Justice Society of America (JSA). No Centineo as Albert L. Rothstein, Atom Smasher, a member of the JSA who can control his molecular structure and manipulate his size and strength. Sarah Shahi as Adriana Thomas, a university professor and resistance fighter in Kahndaq. Marwan Kenzari as Ishmael. Quintessa Swindle as Maxine Hunkel, Cyclone, a member of the JSA and the granddaughter of Red Tornado who can control wind and generate sound. Bodhi Sabongui as Amon. Pierce Brosnan as Kent Nelson, Dr. Fate, a member of the JSA and the son of an archaeologist who learned sorcery and was given the magical helmet of fate. Brosnan wore a motion capture suit for the role. Additionally, James Kusati Moyer, Mo Emmer, and Uli Latukefu have been cast in undisclosed roles. The criminal organization Intergang will appear in the film. Production development: New Line Cinema began development of a Shazam feature film in the early 2000s based on the DC Comics character Captain Marvel. The title came from the wizard Shazam, who gives the hero his powers, with DC unable to use the title Captain Marvel due to legal issues. Peter Segal signed on to direct the film in April 2006 and Dwayne Johnson was approached about portraying Captain Marvel later that year. By November 2007, Johnson was also interested in the film's antagonist Black Adam and had received positive responses from fans about him possibly playing that character. Development on the film was placed on hold by January 2009 but had begun again by April 2014 when Warner Bros., the parent company of New Line, and DC began planning a slate of superhero films. Had begun again by April 2014 when Warner Bros., the parent company of New Line, and DC began planning a slate of superhero films for its shared universe, the DC Extended Universe (DCEU). That August, Johnson said he was still attached to the film but had not yet decided if he would play Captain Marvel or Black Adam. A month later, Johnson announced that he would portray Black Adam. In January 2017, Johnson met with DC's Geoff Johns to discuss the project after studio executives grew concerned that an actor of Johnson's profile was being used as a villain and supporting character in the film instead of starring in it. Following that meeting, they decided to split the project into two films, Shazam 2019, starring the hero Captain Marvel, who DC had since rebranded as Shazam, and Black Adam, with Johnson starring as the title anti-hero. Johnson said the two characters would meet on screen in the future. Johns confirmed in July that Johnson would not appear in Shazam, though his likeness is used in that film for a magical holograph of Black Adam conjured by the wizard Shazam. Adam Stickle was hired to write the screenplay for Black Adam in October 2017, with Johnson set to produce the film with Danny and Hiram Garcia of Seven Bucks Productions along with Bo Flynn of Flynn Picture Co. At that time, there were plans for Johnson to first appear as Black Adam in Suicide Squad 2016 and then its sequel, which the latter had Gavin O'Connor attached as writer and possible director. The intention was for the members of the Suicide Squad to be tracking a weapon of mass destruction which would be revealed as Black Adam in a small role of Johnson. But these plans were abandoned when O'Connor left that film in 2018. Stickle completed a draft of the Black Adam script by April 2018 when Johnson said there was potential for filming to begin in 2019. At the end of August, Stickle had handed in another draft and further revisions were underway. Hiram Garcia said then that giving Shazam and Black Adam their own films was allowing the best movie for each character to be developed, and he added that their depiction of Black Adam was not going to be softened up for audiences, explaining that he is not the Boy Scout superhero. He is the guy that's like, okay, you cross him, well, I rip your head off. In December, Johnson said filming would not begin until the end of 2019 at the earliest due to his commitments to Jumanji The Next Level 2019 and Red Notice 2021. After the successful release of Shazam, Black Adam became a priority for New Line. By June 2019, John Collatsera was in talks to direct the film after impressing Johnson as the director of Jungle Cruise 2021. Collatsera described Black Adam as the Dirty Harry of superheroes and said the film would show a darker version of Johnson compared to the adventure comedy Jungle Cruise. Johnson revealed in October that filming would begin in July 2020 and announced the following month that Black Adam was scheduled to be released on December 22, 2021. He also said Shazam would not appear in the film, but members of the Justice Society of America (JSA) would be introduced pre-production. Johnson stated in mid-April 2020 that filming had been delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic and they were now planning to begin production in August or September of that year. By July, filming was expected to begin in early 2021 in Atlanta, Georgia, and Noah Centineo was cast as Atom Smasher. During the virtual DC fandom event in August, Johnson revealed that the film's version of the JSA would include Hawkman, Dr. Fate, and Cyclone. In addition to Atom Smasher, he explained that Hawkgirl was originally included in the team, but for a complicated reason she ultimately could not be used in the film and was replaced with Cyclone. Rory Hines and Sohrab Noshirwani had written a new draft of the script by September when Aldis Hodge was cast as Hawkman. The next month, Warner Bros. Adjusted their upcoming release schedule due to the pandemic, leaving Black Adam with a release date. Later in October, Sarah Shahi joined the cast as Adriana Thomas, Quintessa Swindle was cast as Cyclone in December, with Marwan Kenzari joining the cast in February 2021. Filming was expected to begin that April, with construction of the sets beginning by mid-March. Pierce Brosnan was cast as Kent Nelson, Dr. Fate, at the end of March, and the film was given a new release date of July 29, 2022. In April, James Kusati Moyer, Bodhi Sabungoi, Mo Amer, and Uli Latukefu joined the cast in undisclosed roles. Latukefu previously worked with Johnson on the series Young Rock, while Sabungoi's character was described as a key role from the Black Adam comics. Filming principal photography began on April 10, 2021 at Trellis Studios in Atlanta, Georgia, with Lawrence Sher serving as cinematographer. Filming was delayed from an initial July 2020 start due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Johnson said on June 20, 2021 that there were 3 weeks left of filming, and on July 15 he announced that he had completed his scenes. Filming then continued with Johnson for several weeks, with the production moving to Los Angeles, and had wrapped by August 15. Post-production, Bill Westenhofer serves as the visual effects supervisor for the film, after doing so for the DCEU film Wonder Woman 2017, and John Lee is the editor. In March 2022, Warner Bros. Adjusted its release schedule due to the impacts of COVID-19 on the workload of visual effects vendors. Black Adam was pushed back to October 21, 2022, with The Flash and Aquaman and The Lost Kingdom moved from late 2022 into 2023 to allow time for their visual effects work to be completed. The delay for Black Adam was also reportedly due to reshoots that were scheduled for February 2022 having to be postponed because most of the studio space at Trellis was being taken up by production on Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 2023. Once shooting for that film ended, reshoots for Black Adam began in early May. Release: Black Adam is scheduled to be released by Warner Bros. Pictures in the United States on October 21, 2022 and will be available to stream on HBO Max 45 days. It was originally set for release on December 22, 2021 but was moved from that date due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It was then given a July 29, 2022 release date but was moved from there to October 21, 2022 when Warner Bros. Adjusted its release schedule due to the impacts of COVID-19 on the workload of visual effects vendors. Future: in April 2017, Johnson said that he and DC intended for Black Adam and Shazam to appear in a future film together. Henry Cavill, who portrays Superman in the DCEU, said in April 2018 that there were plans for Johnson's Black Adam to face off against Superman in a future DCEU film after Black Adam and Shazam meet. Danny Garcia stated in May 2021 that Johnson and the other producers planned to make the multiple Black Adam films during their long-term relationship with DC, and Hiram Garcia reiterated in July that there was potential for Cavill and Johnson to appear in a future project together as Superman and Black Adam. That November, Hiram elaborated that they already had an outline for future films and spin-offs featuring Black Adam and the JSA that would be dependent on the first film being a success, and added that other characters beyond Shazam and Superman were being considered as potential future rivals for Black Adam, such as Wonder Woman.